towels have completely taken over today. I have a massive pile of washing for our family of 6. So let's see whether I can finally reach the bottom of the laundry pile. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm a stay-at-home mum of 5 living in the UK, and today I'm tackling a huge towel washing day. There is so much loads to wash, dry, fold and put away. So grab yourself a drink and get some laundry done with me. I'm separating everything into loads before I start because they are far too many towels to fit into one wash. With 5 children, the laundry seems to build up again, mostly as soon as I finish it. So yeah, this is the towel washing day due to obviously having really nice hot weather in the UK. So obviously I'll be hanging up the washing to get that dried. But this is the stuff that I actually put in my washing machine before I put all my clothes in and everything. You don't see me put this in because obviously it is quite a bit, and everything else, it is what I use, and this is what I prefer to use. So I use one of these colour catchers due to obviously the colours running into the colour catcher, the Oxy Power powder coloured, and obviously I got the white one as well. I'm using the Midsummer Memories bold pods. Due to obviously being summer, I'm kind of using up the pods that I actually bought. Boosters, obviously I mix and match the boosters as well, because obviously there is Midsummer Memories in there and the other boosters that you usually get. Then I use this laundry sanitizer, the Dettol one. Obviously, yeah, everyone catches viruses and everything else, so basically putting this in the washer with your clothes and obviously the towels, it just stops all the bugs getting around the house and everything else. It just keeps it at bay. And then I use this Lenore Out Durable Fresh Midsummer Memories Sunset Bloom conditioner, due to obviously using obviously the bold pods, the same kind of thing. And then I use the Comfort Fresh Scent Booster Elixir. Obviously it gives it a bit of a boost of a smell, but yeah, that is kind of what I use in my wash days, due to obviously being a towel wash day. So yeah, let's get into this video and let's get these towels washed. that is the first load going in, but there are still plenty more waiting. I'm hoping to get everything washed today so that I don't have this huge pile staring at me tomorrow morning. Right, so basically this is the last load to be put into the washer. Yeah, so we've caught up with about 4 loads of washing that has been in and out of the washing machine, and this basket here is going to be going outside, because obviously with the weather being so nice and hot and everything else, we're getting the washing dried on the washing line. So yeah, so this is 4 loads of washing that is actually been done and dusted. So I'm going to put this outside. I won't tape me washing putting my washing outside, due to obviously my back garden's not looking so great at the moment, but I'm hoping as soon as we kind of sort out the back garden, obviously I will be able to record putting this out. But now I'm going to put obviously this dark load of washing into the washer, and then I will be putting this lot outside, and then obviously you'll see me folding up and putting away. So yeah, stick with me and obviously you'll see all this happening. This is probably the most satisfying part, seeing all the towels clean, fresh and neatly folded. Folding towels can take a while, but having some cleaning motivation playing in the background makes the job feel much easier. We are finally getting somewhere. The basket is looking much emptier, and I'm so glad I kept going instead of leaving the rest for another day. That is the huge tile washing day finish for our family of 6. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if for more realistic mum life and cleaning videos, and let me know in the comments rather that the laundry never ends in your home. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.